I found the perfect gift for anyone who loves to keep their car super clean. That would be my husband. I did get this for him. It's a V8 slim cordless vacuum for the car. It has these really slim attachments that just fit anywhere you need them to go in your car. If you've ever had your pets in your car and they just leave everything behind, this is perfect. It's got a pet attachment to get all that hair up. Y'all, I almost forgot the best part. This has a little blower on it too. It has several nozzles to put on there that you could just blow the dust away. Look at all this grimy stuff that he got out of my car. Gross. Luckily, these filters are washable so you can reuse them, but this is all the attachments that it comes with. I'm going to link it below, guys. Super good gift idea.